lottery, and you don't have a money tree in your backyard, you need the construction loan, and you might be interested in an in-doubt financing. So my company's Sunwest, we've been around since 1980, and that's what I would do. So if you wanted a 10-year fixed up to a 30-year fixed, I can help you with that. So the first part that the builders are looking for is, what's your budget? Well, most of the time that's kind of a big number. You have no idea. What matters to you is, I know I have this much I can put down, and this is approximately how much I think I can afford per month. So what I can do, or actually the credit union can help you as well, is to figure out with those numbers approximately what's going to be comfortable with you, for you. So we can estimate what your property taxes are going to be, your homeowners, and then your principal and interest. If you don't have 20% to put down, don't be afraid. There's still ways to do the construction loan. So your construction loan will cover the 80%, and then at the end, if let's say you have 5% to put down or 10%, typically 5% is going to be the minimum unless you're a veteran. Then what we'll do is we'll pay your builder at the end with that final 10 or 15%. So again, I'm going to use the same information they do. I can help you come up with a budget and work with them. One of the nice things that I found with working with Horizon, I personally did my construction loan with Horizon, and is that we can work well together. We use the same appraisal. So scary things about doing a construction loan is at the end of 6 months or 8 months, the concern is, well, what's the interest rate going to be? And, will my appraisal come out? I have an appraisal at the beginning or at the end. Well, when we coordinate together, we use the same appraisal, and barring some catastrophic event, we're going to use that same value. So up front going in, based on the plans and specs that you have, what your budget is, what the maximum you can go to. So there aren't any surprises. We try and make it as seamless as we can. You get approved, you keep your approval going, you pay your monthly interest, and at the end, you get your home, you move in, and you move into a fixed rate mortgage. So that's our goal, to make it as seamless and stress-free as possible for you. In terms of interest rates, from my end of things, I typically can lock in about 90 days before you're done. A good builder is going to have a good idea. Again, barring a hurricane or tornado or something, they're going to know when your house is going to be done, and we can kind of plan that. Once we lock in, if interest rates improve, then we have an opportunity to take advantage of that, so you're not going to be locked out. You can sleep at night knowing it's not going to get any worse than that. But if it gets better, we can take advantage of it. So that's one of the features of the company that I work for that I really like. I think that's probably the big key pieces I would like to touch on. Do you have any questions for me? Okay, so I think our last two parties are the title work, which is an important part of how you take your draws and you get your money to do your financing, and then also the homeowner's insurance. So Erin, do you want to go next? Sure.